Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Smythe with the Fly Shop at Tampa Fishing Outfitters. Today I want to talk about just a few tips and techniques when it comes to cleaning your equipment and storage. Obviously, fly fishing, there's a lot of good equipment out there. It can be a little pricey at times, so it's important to take care of it. The biggest thing, once you spend a day on the water and you get done fishing, when you come back, the biggest problem with any type of saltwater fishing is the salt, obviously. So the first thing I like to do, I rinse everything, the reel, the rod, the line. I rinse it, try to get all this salt off. Typically I'll tighten the drag down, rinse it. You don't want to spray with your water hose necessarily. That's a lot of pressure going up into the reel. Just kind of lightly rinse it, get that salt off. And then after that, let it dry. Once it's dry, I like to take a look at over everything, make sure to go ahead and do a quick inspection, make sure there's no corrosion or rust or anything on any guides. If I need to, I can apply some product like cleanse oil or something to help protect that. But also at this time, I like to condition and kind of treat my fly line and clean it. You can do this, in other intervals, while you're fishing. But generally, once I put a rod up, I like to clean the fly line, get any salt or any stuff that the water didn't get it off the line, and have it ready for my next use. Product that I use is by Umpqua. It's the Glide line dressing. We have a kit. You can buy the dressing and the applicator. So once you rinse your stuff off, you apply some of the dressing on these felt pads. You clip it around your fly line, and all you have to do is just strip it through, and it'll clean your line. It's super simple. You don't have to apply it to a rag and do all this. This box makes it really easy to clean your stuff. So after you've cleaned your equipment and you've treated your line, it's going to come time to store it. A few things to consider. It's not ideal to keep it in really hot environments or really cold. I wouldn't recommend leaving your equipment in your vehicle. It could break down the fly line. It could, that's really the main factor, and fly line's not cheap, so keep it in a cool place. I bring them inside. If you are worried about transportation or maybe not having a place of storage, I would recommend go ahead and breaking it down. Take your reel off your rod, breaking your rod down, put it in the rod tube, and you won't have any issues getting to and from the water, as far as breaking your equipment. Hopefully you found some helpful tips in this video. Be sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for our next one. Thank you.